What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a quick look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, we are finally starting to see potentially a little breakout of this RSI downtrend that we have been seeing here. You can see resistance, 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 and here we might, maybe on this daily time frame here, just be starting to see potentially a little breakout here of the RSI downtrend, which would obviously be very ideal for us, because it's pretty clear when you look at this RSI that we have been getting, we're going down and down and down, getting more and more oversold, just like we were back here from May to July. You can see here the bearish divergences, so we roll over and we're coming down and down and down and down and down, coiling up. We were having bullish divergences in this instance here, but it looks like here we're getting something similar potentially. The RSI now potentially coming down. We've obviously got down to that crazy oversold level, COVID crash levels of oversold, just like we did here, where we got our really nice bounce to the upside and basically that huge short squeeze. And now looking like potentially we could be doing something similar. If we look at this chart, you can see we've been heading down in this channel for a good while now, ever since we had this bearish divergence here. RSI coming down, price action coming up, we come down, resistance, resistance, capitulation, resistance, resistance, capitulation, and now we're coming back up again towards that resistance, as we've said before, that needs to be retested at the top of the channel. I mean, before we roll over, we need to come up, retest this, test this, and then if we roll over again, we're probably going down towards that 30k level, aren't we? But realistically, looking at what we're seeing here, we could be, in the process of forming a double bottom here for Bitcoin. We come up, we test resistance, we come down again, retest support, but we make bullish divergences, price actually coming down, RSI coming up. And then if that's the case, get the bounce off the low, come back up, break through the channel here, and start getting back up through our levels, just like we did here, where basically we had the huge capitulation, everyone's super bearish, and then boom, we come up making an all-time high. Everything looking extremely good. And in our opinion, this could be, even likely for Bitcoin, we would say, considering what we're seeing here. So just a quick look at the hourly time frame will show you everything you need to know right now. We could see here, formed our range, resistance, support. We had this little range here, overextension. We come back up, retest the little range as support, resistance, support, support, and now we've come back up, retested resistance here again. As we said, we needed to at 39k, getting a bit of a rejection in this area, but we're coming back up towards that resistance at the top of that big descending channel that we need to retest here, aren't we? Around that 39.5k currently, that we do need to be coming up and testing. So overall, Bitcoin looking pretty good. Before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we would like to direct everyone's attention to our free Discord in the description. Go down there, click it, sign up. It takes like 10 seconds. The community is absolutely amazing. Got a really good passive income community, a really good NFT community. We're posting daily news, daily crypto updates, daily technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got all kinds of good people in there. Over 1,000 members now with loads of quality content. So please go check it out and sign up. It's totally free. And then if you do want an edge on the market, as we always say, you can sign up to our Patreon. I think it's $9.99 a month. You can support the channel and you'll get access to daily signals for Bitcoin. We've got alpha on potential 100x opportunities that are just coming out, super high risk, super degen behavior kind of stuff. And we've got our own personal moves where we're talking about what we're doing in the market, how we're, kind of moving our money around, the kind of things that we're doing. So if you want to do that, support the channel, consider signing up to the Patreon, link in the description, and become a Crypto Maximalist today. So with that being said, if we're rolling over here, back down probably to that 36k potentially as support, and continue to go sideways till we retest that resistance. If we're heading up, we want to break that, test that 39.5k, hopefully get a breakout of this range here and start to get back up through our levels. So I think if we can break this resistance here of the descending channel, backtest to support, and then head up, we're probably going to be looking pretty good, aren't we? And then as we said, we do think Bitcoin, it's been consolidating for essentially almost a year now, hasn't it, really? Just going sideways like this for the most part. And in our opinion, we do think, in 2022, if the market plays ball, we could be looking at Bitcoin heading up towards that 100k level, no problem in our opinion. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing in the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, totally for free, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.